In this short video, we'll show you how to sync your contacts. To get started, click the Integrations tab. From there, click the EZTexting block and choose Connect. You'll be taken to the EZTexting site where you can either log into an existing account or create a new one. Once you've logged in, it's easy to sync your Constant Contact contacts into EZTexting. Just click Settings and choose to sync contacts from any Constant Contact list of your choosing. Lastly, head back to the Overview tab in EZTexting and choose Sync Contacts. Once your contacts from Constant Contact are in your EZTexting account, you can start creating text messages to send to your Constant Contact contacts. To learn how to use EZTexting software, check out this detailed help article from their knowledge base. And that's how easy it is to sync your Constant Contact contacts into your EZTexting account.